If you are looking for an easy and stylish way to brighten up your outdoor spaces, the Solar Outdoor Lights 12-pack is a great choice. These lights are designed to enhance the look of your garden, patio, yard, driveway, or walkway while providing reliable and energy-efficient lighting. Each light is powered by solar energy, meaning no wiring or extra electricity costs. Simply place them in an area with direct sunlight, and they will charge during the day, automatically turning on at night to create a warm and inviting glow. The warm white light adds a cozy atmosphere, making it perfect for outdoor gatherings or simply enhancing the beauty of your landscape. These lights are built to last with a waterproof design, ensuring durability in all weather conditions. Whether it is rain, snow, or extreme heat, these lights will continue to function without any issues. The in-ground installation is simple and requires no tools, making it an easy and hassle-free way to upgrade your outdoor lighting. With 12 lights in each pack, you can cover a large area and create a well-lit pathway or highlight different sections of your outdoor space. The bright and efficient illumination makes it not only a decorative feature but also a practical solution for safety by lighting up steps and walkways. Right now, there is a limited time deal with 21% off, making this an even better value. If you want to take advantage of this offer and upgrade your outdoor lighting, check out the link in the description below to get yours today.